Violet Affleck is all grown up, and she's gearing up to get her license with driving lessons from her famous dad, Ben Affleck. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Garner's oldest daughter, Violet Affleck, is just months away from her 16th birthday, and she's putting her learner's permit to good use as she prepares to take her driving test. Ben took Violet and his two other kids, Seraphina Affleck and Samuel Affleck, out to dinner in Brentwood, and Violet drove the whole family there in her dad's car. Ben was seen giving her some directions from the front seat, while Seraphina and Samuel appeared to be sitting in the back. Afterward, Ben seemed to be happy with Violet's driving abilities, because he pulled her in for a hug and to give her a kiss on the top of her head as the foursome headed into the restaurant. Violet was looking remarkably like her mom, Jennifer, on the outing, and she was nearly as tall as her 6'4" dad in a pair of platform sandals. As Ben and the kids strolled through the parking lot, he held tight to Samuel's hand, and they all wore face masks in accordance with guidelines amidst the coronavirus pandemic. Related gallery. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck out with each other's kids, see photos. This family dinner date comes amidst Ben's hot rekindled romance with Jennifer Lopez, who he was engaged to from 2002 until 2004. The two got back together after she split from Alex Rodriguez in April 2021, and have been hot and heavy ever since. In fact, things are already so serious, that their kids have even met and spent time together. Meanwhile, in August, Jennifer G sparked buzz that she had rekindled her relationship with ex, John Miller, who she split from in 2020, when they were photographed out together. Still, Ben and Gingy have maintained a close and amicable co-parenting relationship since their split in 2015. They both seem to spend ample time with the children and are very involved in their lives. Just earlier this month, Jennifer was photographed having lunch with Samuel, and she bonded with Seraphina on a shopping date in late August, as well. Plus, in mid-August, J-Lo and Ben took all three of his kids, as well as both of hers, out to dinner, and Ben brought them to Disneyland over the summer, as well.